Hey guys, we received this just safe extra large memory foam seat cushion for test and try. It's a 4-inch thick chair cushion for so this is a nice thing like if you want to just put a cushion to any chair for any purpose or any use. So let's just open it and see. So this is a extra large thick seat cushion. Total is the 19 inches and the 4-inch in height and a 17-inch in width. So this is a breathable and washable cover on the top and this strap to adjust or to put it on any seat. So this also have a anti-slip bottom and adjustable strap as I mentioned. So with a nice design and soft and supportive memory foam. You can see like a thick gel or thick memory foam here. No gel, but it's just a memory foam. And then you can just put it on your car seat, wheelchair seat, or any other chair or any other thing, or your couch if you want extra cushion. With this rubber grip, it's anti-slip, and you can feel it here with a nice stitching and things. So this make your sitting more comfortable as you can put it in anywhere you want, and then provide an extra cushion for the extra use. So this cover is also you can wash in the machine and with a breathable fabric. So it have a hidden zipper as I showed you before and a adjustable strap. So while putting you can see like if you sit it will just give an extra cushion and very helpful.